Today I'm coming to you from my sunroom and I wanted to share with you my lemon tree. This is my lemon tree that I've had for several years. It takes about 3 to almost 6 years before lemons will start to grow on it. I've had a couple grow, but I think this year is going to be my best year yet. Let me show you it up close. All of these flowers that have bloomed on here will eventually turn into a lemon. And if you can look, there's these little tiny itty bitty lemons that are starting to grow on it. I would say that this plant has maybe about probably 20 lemons that could grow. But here's the thing. It takes 8 or 9 months for that lemon to fully grow and turn yellow. But they are the best lemons you've ever had. They taste more like an orange that you could just eat off the tree. So they won't grow for a long time. You're going to have to ask me again in 3rd grade how my lemons are going, because it'll take that long before I can finally have them. But I love watching them grow. Okay, today I want to talk to you about a mindfulness activity that I have sent home with you. Last week I sent home a family activity. This is for your family as well if you want to do it. But gosh, 2nd graders, I think you'd have some very happy moms and dads if you worked on this one. This is called a family contribution spinner. It'll give you directions so that you can make a spinner that you spin around and it lands on a piece of this pie that you're making. Remember how we made pie graphs? But on here, you can choose some different chores that you could do around the house that would be helpful to your family right now. I know that our family is spending a lot more time together, which means a messier house, a lot more time and energy from moms and dads, a lot more patience from all of us. And I would not be able to do things right now if my kids didn't keep helping me around the house. Right now, as we speak, it's Saturday morning, and Corbin is outside fixing the lawnmower with Mr. Starkweather, and she has started mowing every weekend. And Hadley is playing with Braun so that I can make this video. I've actually already had to start it over 3 times because he keeps coming in and needing something. So I wouldn't be able to teach you if I didn't have my family helping out. So I want you to look at this and see how you or your brothers and sisters can help mom and dad more around the house. I know there's something on here that you could do. This is an optional activity, but I would love to hear how your kindness is spreading. So if you do this, share and write back to me or show me what you've been doing around the house to be more helpful. And I know that it'll help all of us a lot more while we're at home together. So go out and be kind. Love you guys.